welcome back to the channel talking about AMC. This is a stock that anytime it makes a new low, I'm a firm believer you got to buy AMC. It just has really good swings and it's great for day trading. So always follow your stop losses with AMC, but they had a low a couple of days ago around $25 and they blasted up to 30 and they're really testing this level. And it tried again today to break it, but it didn't. But this is definitely something that has a potential for making, a big run again. And I'm not an AMC holder where I'm going to hold it all day and just hold it for years, but I like to buy the lows and try to make money off of them. And AMC, just if you buy the lows, it just pays off. It really does, except for, you just got to be careful because 1 month ago, it was as high as $45, and now it's sold all the way off down to 29. And that's why, if you're going to trade AMC, I always recommend having a stop loss and just being careful, because if you traded at $45 and now you sold it all the way down at 28, you're down 35%. I mean, that's just a huge percentage to be down on any stock. So when you trade this stock, just always have a stop loss, because just don't forget, it was only a year ago when this stock was literally worth $2. So that's where it could go. And as tempting as it is to try to get those nice swings, you always got to be careful and protect your assets. But if AMC does break $30, I think we could finally start to see to become bullish again. But when you have the market that was so bearish on what was happening, this is what happens. It then can sell off. So I'm looking at, on the 6-month chart, the RSI is 29. I like that. Let's look at the Bollinger Bands. It's trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, so it might get a swing back up. But that's all might. That's all wishing and hearsay. Let's look at the volume. You look at the volume. Look at the volume. It's diminishing. It's actually less than it was. And why is that? It's because it keeps selling off. It's not showing momentum. Look when AMC's going up. Look, it blasts off to the moon with all this volume. So you just got to be careful with this stock, because even when it was trading $31 and went up to $50, that's when your volume was really there. But now, trading these levels, you might not get as many day traders, you're going to get swing traders. So it's got to break new levels for it to start having pops. And you say, well, where are those levels? So when you look at the 1 month, we have to see if it's going to hold the $30 range. That's huge. If it can hold $30, and then it can retest that level up at $33, that's where we're going to start to see AMC start to break out again. But just be careful, because this stock is bearish. Over the long term, it has been selling off ever since it hit $72, and it keeps going bearish. So something to keep an eye on, though, because 25.3 is the low, and if it breaks 25.3, it's going to go even lower. But let's keep an eye on it. At 28.6, if we can get it back up to 34, we can make a nice 20% gain on this. But it's something that you just want to be careful, because overnight, this stock moves so much. But it's definitely something that I believe is worth mentioning, because look where it is from the previous month of $46 all the way down pretty much 50%. So you get a nice 50% discount at $25. I'm sorry, 43% discount. So it's something to look into. AMC gives good swings, and when it's hot that day and it just starts going up, it just moves points. So it's definitely something to think about, because a couple of days ago it was down to $25 and went all the way back up to $30 all in 30 minutes. So definitely a stock to keep an eye on. I just wanted to bring it up. I definitely look forward to trading AMC. I always trade them any chance I get, but I always try to buy new lows. I don't really buy high on AMC ever. But if you feel like you have any comments section below just about AMC, let me know. I'd love to hear it. Any catalyst, anything coming up, maybe we can figure out a way to make some money on this.